uncertainty of pandemic, the marketeers from all the industry had to navigate a very different landscape, as you mentioned, right? So how, as a marketeer, do we best respond to this situation, Ritesh?
See, I think first and foremost, you know, the first thing any brand that has a relationship with with its customers should do in a any kind of crisis is keep the conversation going. Okay, because people like hearing familiar voices. People like hearing from the brands they love. Through the course of such crisis, people like getting a message of affirmation that things will turn around, things will improve. And I think a lot of the brands have done a good job. I particularly like the work Coke has done in terms of reassuring people that yes, things are bad, but things will turn around. So what Croma also did was similar, in the period last year, through April, May, June, where there was zero business to be done. What we did is we used all our social and digital assets to keep the conversation going with people, talking about the positive impact the lockdown was having on the environment around us. There were all these stories of people being able to see the Himalayan peaks from Ambala, Saharanpur, etc., or people being visited by penguins in their peacocks in their housing society, or elephants on the golf course in Munnar. These are all stories that all of us saw in social media. Since Croma has always had a conversation in terms of responsible consumption and disposing of e-waste properly, etc., we sort of link these two phenomenon together, and we created a campaign around sustainable consumption. So essentially saying things will come back to normal someday, but what we are seeing in the environment today should give us hope that things can turn around if we behave a little more responsibly in terms of how we use all the good stuff that technology makes available to us. So that was point one. Point two is when stores started reopening, how do you reassure? How do you provide a safe environment for people to shop? B, how do you reassure people that you are taking all the right steps and they should feel safe if they come to Croma? And the third thing is, reduce the need for people to step out and come to the stores. So a lot of digital initiatives in terms of, being able to talk to store managers from the comfort of your home and purchase without visiting the store, shopping online. Even we started a video store on Croma.com, which allows you to, via video link, take a demonstration at a dark, specially created for the purpose. This was another thing which we started during lockdown. Interestingly, even after the stores opened up, this continued to be something which was pretty popular. And unfortunately, right now, even the video store is under lockdown because it's in Bangalore. So we are not able to get staff into that store. But till it was operational, it was growing 20-25% week on week, and we had started doing some around 15 crores of business a week from there. So it's a popular service which we discovered because of the lockdown, but it's something which has relevance in a world where people are hesitant to step out, and equally the vast majority still uncomfortable, spending a large sum of money without final look-see of the product.